Good morning, everyone. Thanks for the given time and screen. On this occasion, I will present a research entitled Thermodynamic Analysis of a R245Fa Organic Rankine Cycle System for Low Temperature Geothermal Brine Utilization. At this time, let me introduce my name Dwika Budianto as presenter, who will explain the material for further. What is the background in this study? Indonesia is one of the archipelago countries that is passed by the Circum-Pacific Ring of Fire, which has a number of volcano series stretching from the island of Sumatra, Java, Ntb, NTT to Maluku and North Sulawesi. This natural geographic becomes a hub potential for geothermal. Indonesia has potential for geothermal totally 23.9 gigawatt, and until now only around 2,130 megawatt have been utilized, or equivalent of 8.9%. Indonesia geothermal field typical has two phase fluid which is water dominated, such as area Salak, Dieng, Sibayak, Ulubelu, Lahendo, and Silangkitang Sarula. The geothermal plant type still dominated by the single flash steam, and brine water as the waste of separation system is not utilized and is usually reinjected into the well. This fact can be seen in the table below, where estimation was with brine in each location geothermal plant. Brine water utilization in challenges because of it has low grid temperature thermal properties. One of technology appropriate to exploit thermal waste of brine water is organic Rankine cycle. Therefore, need research and development for the utilization of ORC. The schematic of layout diagram in the small scale ORC to be simulated and analyzed in this feature, where the facility ORC mainly consists of a scroll expander, recuperator, condenser, cooling tower, pump, plate heat exchanger, and electric heater. For representative ranging temperature in actual brine water was used the thermal oil as a heat source, which is controlled by an electrical heater. To enhance overall thermal efficiency, the Rankine cycle prototype is equipped with a recuperator component by add an internal heat exchanger. In other hand, the selection of working fluid is essentially determined by the performed thermodynamic cycle. It is power output, net thermal efficiency, and specific work. At the same time, determine the design of all its components. The working fleet has several requirements which should be met, including environment friendly, non-toxic, non-flammable, non-corrosive, and non-aggressive. Engineering equation software is employed to predict the heat load of the evaporator as a function of the mass flow rate of the organic fluid, the mass flow rate of thermal oil, the saturation temperature, and the inlet temperature of organic fluid. The simulation analysis has objective of finding thermodynamic performance for working fluid in different variation of evaporation temperature and condenser temperature to obtain net thermal efficiency, power output, and specific work. There are some assumptions to run simulation. Evaporation temperature of organic fluid is considered in the range 70 until 130 degrees Celsius, constant constant heat and cooling system. An ambient temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Inlet mass flow is equal to the outlet, no pressure drop in subsystem. The process is adiabatic, no lubricant and working fluid. Pressure saturation at condenser higher than ambient pressure. Isentropic efficiency expander is 0.85 and isentropic pump is 0.65, and then consider internal heat exchanger. Using the engineering equation solver, the mass and heat balance model of the ORC state by this equation, the system net thermal efficiency, work of expander, work of pump, total heat evaporator, and specific work have been calculated. In this feature, exhibit prediction performance of working fluid, net thermal efficiency, power output, and specific work of R245FA in the ORC system have been evaluated for the range of evaporator and condenser temperature. The blue color curve indicates temperature condenser 50 degrees Celsius. Orange color curve as temperature condenser 55 degrees Celsius, and the red one shows the temperature condenser 60 degrees Celsius. According to graphs in this figure, in terms of thermal efficiency, power output, and specific work, tend to increase along with the rise of evaporator temperature and the reduction of condenser temperature. All of the variation, the best simulation condition are found at the temperature evaporator 130 degrees Celsius and the outlet temperature condenser 50 degrees Celsius. The best value achieved for net thermal efficiency was equal 12.94%. Power output 8.7 kilowatt and specific work 26.92 kilojoule per kilogram. At this condition, the numerical result was considered model design ORC with internal heat exchanger. The operation parameter result of R245FA is shown and described in this table, and then plotted graphic TS diagram that represent the base of the result power output. In this study, also assess the comparison ORC system without and with internal heat exchanger, which in ORC with internal heat exchanger has equipped a recuperator after expansion device. In case of study, heat source evaporator is generated from electrical heater. By consideration, the power output is similar, so it affects the demand of energy consumption of the evaporator overall. The internal heat exchanger effectiveness is assumed about 65%. The detailed number of energy consumption evaporator in terms of various temperature evaporator is shown in this table and plot that the graph. The results show that without IHA internal heat exchanger in the ORC system will be more consumed heat in the evaporator around 5.38%. In overall, regenerative internal heat exchanger has a fundamental role to improve the performance of ORC. The result of this study show the effect of variation in the working fluid R245FA temperature on evaporator with a boundary certain condenser temperature as follow. The number of efficiency thermal power output and specific work tends likely increase in terms of temperature rise evaporator and decrease in condenser. The component regenerative internal heat exchanger should be equipped in the ORC system to enhance performance and more efficiency in the use of thermal evaporator, especially prototype experiment that use an oil heater. Thereby, a brief explanation about thermodynamic analysis of organic Rankine cycle system. Hopefully, it can provide an understanding of the ORC system perspective. Thank you.